destroyed by American forces.
Hello mga kababayan ko, lahat mga Pilipinas dyan. Game ka na ba? Here we go again. Pinoy Zero Hour. Waiting for the moment of truth. Yun po ang Command & Conquer Zero Hour, one of my favorite games ever since po. Salamat po sa subscribe, mga new subscriber dyan. Shoutout lahat naman lahat mga bagong subscriber. Salamat po sa suporta sa Pilipino. Ito na po, pupunta natin ang China naman natin ang plane. We're done the USA, GLA, now in China. Pakinggan po natin ang nangyari po dito sa China.
China is here to help our European comrades.
The United States believes that a general, codenamed Dr. Threx, is running the lethal program.
Let's continue. Look at that moment of truth.
Borders and raiding its weapons of mass destruction.
Mass destruction.
Further transmissions may be difficult.
Command and Conquer General Zero Hours. Beautiful, right? Tell me about it. Salamat po. Ito na po, umpisahin natin. So, punta na rin sa solo. USA, tapos na tayo sa GLA. Ano po yung ibig sabihin ng GLA? Google natin yan. China naman tayo. Hard, easy, hard. Yan ang tatlong choice dito. Tapos meron yan brutal. Kung napos natin yung hard. So hard natin po. Pakinggan po natin ang ating Republic ng China.
Good afternoon. As America withdraws its troops to strengthen homeland defense, our own nation now takes the rightful path to lead the world against terrorism. In a televised address, our premier again denied involvement with GLA hoodlums and condemned their use of stolen Chinese armament against our great ally. The premier's military commanders have pledged to repel the GLA from former American bases in Europe. China will not allow continued GLA control of advanced U.S. military hardware. Our opinion polls show majority of citizens support the premier and ask for swift retribution. From our post in Germany, this is Sang Meiying, Beijing World News.
Yung po, narinig po natin ang Republic of China. Ito po yung mission ng China, mga Chinese. Tumutulong po sila sa USA.
I did not think the United States would be defeated so easily.
Kasi alam nila na defeat
I do
yung
not
USA.
understand
So
why the
they don't
United States
understand.
has allowed this to happen. This cannot be allowed to stand.
This cannot be allowed to stand.
China
Look at that.
is right.
China will going to make it right through their missile.
GLA's treacherous use of our resources against the Americans has caused great embarrassment to China. They must pay for their insolence.
Aba, nagbudod-budod na sila,
They
nagsiselebrate
believe
na
they
sila.
have won the day, but they celebrate too soon.
Oo, nag-celebrate sila too soon, so early. Tingnan nyo naman ang nangyari. Ang China binigay sa kanilang ang missile. Ito po, nangyari na. Uy, may nahabol. May survival pa. Ang gawin yan ang mission po natin. I-claim natin yung atin pambansa. Ang ginagawa
General,
ko
the GLA
una-una.
managed to defeat the US forces in this area. We launched a devastating counterattack, but like roaches, they are still alive.
What do you need?
Even now, the
Number
GLA
one,
survivors
overload.
are rebuilding.
So ito yung mission upgrade natin, eliminate all GLA forces in this region. So ito yung mga upgrade ng overload, tatlo. So
Speaker
meron
tower,
gun cannon, and
Building is
bunker.
complete.
So, lagyan ko dito, tapos lagyan ko ng 2, cannon, yan,
Speaker tower is ready.
yan, dito natin. Tapos,
Let's build.
meron natin supply dito. Supply natin ito.
General, our new listening
Dito natin
outposts
dito,
are
supply
stationed in
din
the area.
doon.
They are at your disposal. The
Yeah.
listening outpost
Location.
itself is unarmed.
Gawin natin dalawa
However,
dito.
its
1,
passengers
2,
can
3.
fire on
Tatlo lang,
enemies
okay
that
na.
venture too
Ito yung
close.
star dito.
You will find its long sight range and
Magkakaroon
stealth
ng
ability
upgrade.
greatly enhances
Okay?
battlefield
Ito ang kailangan natin.
Location will tell to the other.
Yan, i-number 2 natin to.
Relocating. Hey, let's go with the champions.
Yan,
Got that. Ready
number
for
3 ito sila. So, number 2 pasok.
in a moment. Building is
Ito
complete.
pala number 2. Kasi long distance ito. Yan, unahin natin dito kasi pagkain natin yan.
start. It is time.
Unahin na yung si overload.
Nothing in our way.
Infernal cannons
Burn
loaded.
pa.
What do you need?
Keep the
Number
cylinders oiled.
3, ganon. pa dyan. Pasok ka dito.
Of course. We have big
Habang
plans.
nag-ano sila gawang gera,
China will
ilagyan
grow
natin
larger.
ng tatlo
Let's
dito.
pick up some goods.
Tatlo doon. Pasok natin to dito.
There is much money
Isa
to be made.
doon. Balik tayo ulit dito.
Let's pick up some goods. Let's pick up some goods. These will do. Construction will be spent time.
Natin si Overload.
In a moment.
Kasi matapang siya.
We'll get the location.
Yan, kunin natin to mamaya. Okay, bibuild na muna natin ng
I build for
paganda para kay
That's a good choice. China has
pasok
big
natin dito.
generals.
Yan, kasi meron din supply dito.
I have
Okay, good. So wala na to. Libre na to dito.
nothing in our way.
Now that you have
Dito naman
re-established our
tayo.
base of
Ito
operations,
nang patayin natin
it's
to.
time to root out all remaining GLA forces in the area.
Yung...
I can hear them.
Lagyan natin number 5 ito.
Yes, better.
Kasi
Moving
may frank band
operations.
dito. Yan.
Extra large.
Extra large.
Nothing in our way.
The GLA are using these oil
Ito,
derricks
tingnan
to
nyo bang
fund
ano
their
dito.
forces.
Meron
One of
silang...
our Red Guard could capture
Kung
those
yung papasok
derricks.
to, malapit
The
na.
proceeds would help defeat the GLA.
Okay, good. Good job. So, pwede natin ito si tank. Yan. Pasok natin si tank.
Tune into the enemy. Yes, better.
Yan.
Relocating.
Oh,
Adjusting gas valves. We'll get the
oh,
location.
pasok ulit.
Unit lost.
Pressure level
Oh, pasok natin.
Enemy tanks out there.
Oh! I got you there. You got me
The GLA
there.
has garrisoned several buildings throughout the
Okay lang.
town. Perhaps you could use a dragon tank to clear out those
Natin support
garrisons.
natin doon. Doon na naman si Overload. Another boom. Good job.
smooth ride.
Pasok natin dito ulit. Number 5 na
We'll get the
lang.
location. We have big
Lagyan natin ulit
plans.
dito.
Nice location.
Support dito. So, meron tayong si... Ay, wala pa pala si... Di pala pa eh. Wala pa pala ito si Lotus. So, gawin natin. Gawin natin dalawa. I-upgrade natin ito dalawa. Another one.
It will look real nice when it's
Yan,
done.
supply. Maraming pera.
Big plan.
Everything. Yan. Pinendan. I-ready natin to. Patay natin ang squad dyan.
Building
Na,
is complete. We will live in prosperity.
Huwag natin si...
That's a good choice.
Hoy! Hindi ko nakita yan ah. Wala. Yan. Yan. Okay, pasok.
Being promoted.
Construction built to
Okay lang yan. So ito na lang army natin. So remember yung war
complete.
number 1 ko yung nalagay yan dito. I-upgrade ko yan. Gawin natin yun. Kailangan natin.
Let's build.
Then more.
Nice location.
So kawin natin dito para protection. Yan. Pasok natin dito.
We are the Red Guard. This
Natin
building is
yan.
ours.
Build
Pending
orders
attention.
complete.
That
sir.
Pasok
building
natin
looks safe.
doon. So upgrade
China
na.
has been generous.
Natin dito. Punta tayo dito sa kabila naman.
Looks promising.
Gawin
Ready
natin
for
to
order.
dalawa.
Yes, we'll tear through their armor.
Punta natin isa dito. Punta
Defenders
natin
of
isa
peace.
dito.
We'll tear through their armor.
We have big
Tapos
plans.
lapitan nyo yung war factory
China
nyo.
will grow their armor.
Ito na.
Yes.
Pasok nyo muna dito.
Oil derricks. Should we capture them?
Should be captured.
Will bring us victory.
Yan. Nabibuild pa. Tatlo.
Bullet barrage. Gatling tank.
Punta
Ready
nyo
for action.
doon. Oh, may nakita yung green dito. Problema, mayroon naman dito. Oh, wala. Nakalimutan ko
We
to.
are the Red Guard.
Let's build.
Lapas!
Unit
Let's
lost.
take a look.
Need a bullet barrage. Of course.
There are no more
Okay,
supplies.
here we go.
Pasok na to
Gun
dalawa.
barrel spinning. Need a bullet barrage.
Patay na dito.
Keep the bullets flowing. Yes.
Pasok natin yun. Labas kayo muna. Tapos pasok ulit.
China has been
Unit
generous.
Natin
lost.
yung Zetas.
Could use a little touch-up.
Oh,
Carrying the big gun.
ba?
When do I get started?
I didn't sign up for this. Yan, good.
can hear them.
So, yung
Ready for
tao
order.
nyo, kunin nyo to ito,
We
tao
will claim
nyo.
it for China.
Claim it for China.
The building is ours. It's very hot in here.
Very hot in here. So, buo pa kayo ng dalawa. So, magagather na lang kayo ng army. So, 1 and 2. So, dito kayo magagather. 1, kunin nyo to. Pwede nyo i-upgrade to.
It's very hot in here.
This is the Overlord
Yan,
tank.
isa natin to.
We stand together. The
Upgrade
People's Army.
dito.
We are the Red Guard.
Upgrade.
Raise the red flag.
Kuha naman tayo ito.
Defenders
Tatlo.
of peace.
Gawin natin
Expanding
ito
China's
doon.
colony. I will tell you everything I see.
Gawin natin more tao kung gusto nyo. Meron naman siya doon.
We
Pwede
have
na
big
siya. Pwede
plans.
nyo lagay dito yung
A very good plan.
na siya dito. Just in case, pasok lang kayo dito. Para di sayang yung mga truck ninyo. Gusto yung queue. Ang queue, madali mag-highlight lahat. So, pasok nyo dito, tao. So, wala, lagyan nyo din doon yung tao doon. Yan po. So, punin nyo to.
Waiting for orders. We will claim it for
Yeah.
China. They're attacking our base. Now,
They're attacking our base, bro.
Building is complete.
Yan. So,
We
kanin
have
nyo to.
captured the building. Waiting for orders.
Kung gusto nyo upgrade, kung gusto nyo tulong ng army dito, nasa sa inyo na yan. So, meron tayong tatlo na. 1, 2. So, tank. Pasok dito. Yan. Kasi ito, patayin natin ng meto.
Unit lost.
Chain gun upgrade is complete.
Yan, isa-set. Oh, sell na lang ko. Sell ko na lang to. Nakuha
China
na.
is under attack. China can now use this
Kunin natin tatlo to. Patayin natin itong
Hey, let's go where the chopper is.
Unit lost.
tatlo. Kaya rin yung tatlo ito. 4.
Moving
Yan.
operations. Let's start a minute. China's rocket soldier. Deadly
Yan. Ayaw mo nyo na yan. Tangke na natin to.
Defenders of peace.
Okay lang yun, walang problema. Ang focus naman natin, patayin natin lahat itong mga GLA.
We are the Red Guard.
Kaya
Immediately,
kunin natin
we
ito
will
rin.
claim it for China.
Huwag muna kasi may ano doon.
Moving now, sir.
So ito, lalaban nyo na to.
Attacking our base.
Puntayin nyo na to dito. Labahin nyo muna to doon sa kabila. Ito naman sa kabila. Yan na to.
Where do you want these? Our supplies over there. Our supplies over there.
Ito, pinutod dito. Walang problema yan.
China.
Gusto nyo more support doon. Lagyan nyo dito, support.
China has been
And more support dito.
There's not enough build space.
Congratulations, Jen. You have been promoted.
Yan,
Unit
tanggalin natin to.
lost.
Lagyan doon sa kabila.
We'll get the location you need.
Doon.
Ready for orders.
Yung oil.
China can use this.
Tingin nyo na din tank. Yan, kunin nyo lang yung ano. Mas marami naman tayo dito.
Fighting for the Red Army. China needs us there.
Upgrade nyo naman.
We will claim it for China.
Upgrade nyo itong ano. Susukunin nyo to. Mas maganda. Ito ang kasi ang flashbang grenade. So, ang flashbang grenade, maganda yan dyan.
I am
Yan.
me.
Yan,
I
lagyan
am
nyo
in
doon.
control.
So, ready na to dito.
China
Unit
can now
lost.
use this building.
Pasok natin mga guard dito. Tao, more.
Infernal cannons loaded.
Natin
Get
to.
to
China's rocket soldier.
Yan, pasok natin.
Flashbangs are ready.
Yan.
What's the mission,
Kaya
sir?
dito, ito may mga sikreto dito, mga pera.
Yes, General.
Yan, sa kabila, sometimes dito, baka wala na.
What's the mission, sir? We will defend this territory.
Kailangan nyo ng tao ito, pagpunin ito.
What's the mission, sir?
Dito, what's the mission, sir? Kung yung marami, sa inyo na yan. Anyway, marami tayong pera.
We are the Red Guard.
Pasok nyo.
This building is ours.
Ito, ito.
What's the
Flash point nyo, para wala nyo kayong dragon tank. Yan, i-flash point nyo siya.
What's the mission, sir?
So, actually, ready na siya, di ba? Pasok nyo dito.
What's the mission, sir?
Dragon tank.
We have big
Dozer.
What's the
Pasok
mission,
natin yung
sir?
dozer dito sa kabila.
That's a
Meron
good
pera.
start.
Kunin sa
What's the
supply
mission,
dito.
sir? Nice
Fighting for the
location.
Red Army.
Pasok nyo.
Defend this territory.
So, more. Sa ginagawa ko, number 1, ready
What's
na
the
yung
mission,
war
sir?
factory nyo. No? Kunin nyo to marami. And then, tank. Sa inyo na yan. Marami na tayong pera. So, ito lang Q.
Captured the building,
Pasok
sir.
ko to dito. Para ready
Moving
na yan.
rocket launcher.
Unit
Oh!
lost.
Ha! Narinig ko yun ah.
Need a point, man?
Yan, pasok
Search
to.
and destroy.
Tuloy nyo to. Gusto nyo.
On the go. Take a new
Yan,
position.
makakatulong din yan. Sa atin
Head
na
down.
naman yan. O, diba? Wow.
on the floor.
Let you. I-guard nyo dito.
I do not have patience for these. Battle Master Tank, always prepared.
Yan.
Tune
Yan
into
natin,
the
meron pa
enemy.
bang trampa dyan?
Ready for Take action. A new position.
Flashbang nyo.
Exterminator
There you
has
go.
arrived.
No, gamitin natin to.
Getting there.
Fire from sky.
Always prepared. Take a new position. Clean it out.
You get the
Ang dami.
location.
Unit lost.
Yan nyo na. Oh my gosh. Let's fire.
Yes. Carrying the big gun.
Oh,
Yes, General.
oh,
Special forces here.
pasok natin dito.
Unit lost.
Moving is
Automatic na lang yan. Pasok.
Our will is strong.
Pasok
Very
doon.
well.
Everything will go up in smoke.
Enemy tanks
Pasok
out
nyo
there.
dito.
Yes.
Unit lost.
Let's start the next one.
Lote ng tao.
We are the Red Guard.
I-upgrade
We
na
will
dito.
claim it for China.
Pasok nyo dito.
What?
Yan, ready na yan. So, ready na kayo. So, gusto nyo, support nyo dito yung mga tao ninyo. Gusto nyo na yan. So, that's good. Gusto nyo,
Ready for action. Secure and
Yan na yan.
occupied. Let's build.
wala na tayong gagawin. So, yan, hindi na natin gawin. O, sige, meron tayong support dito. Walang problema.
Right here.
Support nyo yung tank ko. Gawin natin isa. I-upgrade natin to.
Don't get on my bad side.
Pasok natin to sa inyong
Everything will go up in smoke.
number 1 at nito. So ito ngayon, dito tayo sa kabila, yung overload, naka 2 star na. Set, kunin natin yung boss, gusto ng mga mines dito. Oh, dito na sila. Lahat, kunin natin yan. Gigera na. So pwede kayo both sides dito, or doon sa kabila. Yan, dito kasi sa kabila. Yan, para maganda naman. Sinit nyo na yun. So dito yung kabila. Punta yun sa kabila. Yan, tanke, o ito. Yan. Yan.
Quad cannon.
Yan.
Don't get on my bad side.
Kaya natin ng post dito. So may general, ano, tapunin natin ito. Ito.
I will tell you everything I hear.
Trump nyo na dito. Lagyan dito para papasok sila. Mines.
Standing attention.
Yan, i-gather nyo muna dyan para ready na kayo mag-fight mamaya.
Ready for order.
Okay na.
We fight from high
Quad
place.
cannon.
Okay, good. So, kailangan na natin post. Oh, naka-stack eh. Takal dyan. Mapunta ninyo. Nagigera na sila dito.
The People's Army.
Okay, ready na yan. O, tingnan nyo.
Immediately.
Dududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududududud Diba? Oh.
We are the red guard. Moving now.
Ganyan na yan. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. So ngayon, bantay nyo dito. Gagard nyo.
Adjusting frequency. Moving
Unit
operation.
lost.
Yan. Oops.
What do you need?
You get the location. Infernal cannons launched.
So, kung natin na marami. Tank.
Serving China. Carrying out orders.
Tuning to the enemy.
Pasok natin to. Yan. So, ito naman yung trump natin ito. Ito yung gamitin natin ito. Oops, mali. Okay lang. So, ito man, ready na ito sila mga ito.
Army.
Pasok ka!
Right away.
Unit lost.
Yan.
Sending for orders. Right here. Yes, General.
There are no more supplies.
Infernal cannons loaded.
The
Yun
people
natin
army.
to.
Moving now.
Automatic lang.
Unit
So,
lost.
ready na yan.
Engulf them in flames.
Pasok natin ito mga ito. Ready na yan.
Unit lost.
Yun. Bilis dyan, commander. Buha kayo ng maraming army. Ito, gigera sa doon. Pasok ito. Atras na kayo. Atras.
Fighting for the
Pasok.
Red Army. Moving to new area.
Pasok.
We are moving.
And
Right.
banat.
We are moving.
Yan. Tirahin na to.
Let us get closer.
Unit lost.
Ito, gera na to dito. Start na yung gera dito. So, pasok na. Auto ka na. Yung pasok dito sa kabila. Pasok dito sa kabila.
Unit
Maraming tuning tanke.
Quad cannon.
Let's build.
Let's start an inferno.
Na tayo dito.
Yes.
Ito. So, ang ginagawa ko is
That's a
Q lang po. Q. Then,
Unit
guard.
lost.
Guard ganyan. Automatic yan. Yung mga natin dito. Ayan na. Anyway, protection naman tayo dito. Protection tayo.
Let's start an
Supply
inferno.
truck here.
Wala tayong mga supplies.
Where is the nearest depot?
Kaya natin dito. Wala naman supplies. Okay na to. Mga dito.
Good.
See? So, puntahin natin ito. Kaya natin yan. Kaya na natin yan. So, kung double kill nyo, lahat yan punta dito.
Unit lost.
Yan. Yan ito. Kaya natin ito. Yan. Kaya natin dito sa side. Pasok yung mga tao dito.
Smoke.
Yan. Wala naman tayo dito. May supply pa dito, di ba? This time schedule.
Much money to be.
China's tank division.
Is this the
Yan.
shortcut?
Is this shortcut? Wala na to dito.
Don't get in my backside.
Yung mga tao dito, ayan.
Huh?
Pwede nyo punta yung mga tao doon.
Inferno cannons loaded.
China's tank
Lagay ko yung rally point nila. So, okay na yan siya.
Four on
Yan,
the floor.
naka-ready na. Okay, ready na.
Quad cannon.
Pasok. Okay, go. Yung ano kasi pati kayo, tatay kayo yan. Puntahin nyo lahat yan.
I'll get there.
So, kung gusto nyo tao rin, para kunin natin yung mga tao, puntahin natin dito, rally.
Need a point, man? Arming flashbangs.
Kunin natin to. Supply natin. Oh, hindi na pala kayo kaya ng
Rally point confirmed.
okay, ready.
I'll get
Ito ng last. So, wala na, automatic na. Tampan nyo dito.
quad cannon.
Unit lost.
Yan na, patay na yan lahat. I love this cannon. You know this one? Inferno cannon. Fire when you upgrade it. Oh my god, so beautiful. Love this gun.
I will do my best.
Alis kay Chan kasi ba't kayo mamatay? Kaya yan, Inferno cannon. Inferno cannon. I-double kill nyo. Tapos ipakita doon. Oh, di, wow.
Hold it right there.
Good.
Unit
Laki.
lost.
Exterminator has arrived.
There has arrived.
Special forces here.
Inferno cannons loaded.
Auto guard nyo. O, di automatic na yan.
Ready for action. Okay, here we go.
Wala. The end. That's it. Mga kapabayan. Salamat po sa oras ninyo. Good job, Commanders. Go 0 hours. Salamat po. Ito mission number 1, campaign 1 sa China. You are victorious. Everybody's are victorious. Salamat po. Continue po natin.